हेलो, आवाज नहीं आ रही है क्या? हेलो। हेलो। आवाज आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है?
आ रही है सर।
अच्छा, बाकी स्टूडेंट कहाँ हैं? बाकी। हेलो दिव्यांशु, आवाज आ रही है?
यस सर, आ रही आवाज।
अच्छा, बाकी लोग कहाँ पे हैं? बाकी सिर्फ अभी देख रहा हूँ मैं 21 स्टूडेंट्स हैं क्लास में। I don't know why you are not responding, whether the voice is coming or not. I'm not sure about that.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Good morning.
सर एक्चुअली अभी हम लोगों का EC2 वालों का और EC1 वालों का दोनों ऑफलाइन लैब था, तो वी आर रिटर्निंग टू द हॉस्टल्स, दैट्स व्हाई देयर माइट बी सम टाइम टेकिंग टू जॉइन द ऑनलाइन क्लास।
But lab timing is from 9 to 12.
Yes sir, so but now we are returning to the hostels to join the online class, otherwise from where we will take the class?
But you can ask your faculty member of the lab to give the lesson time.
Okay sir.
It is already 12:15 now.
Okay sir.
Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So in the last class, we have discussed about this superposition theorem with the help of some examples. Today we will talk about this Thevenin theorem. Thevenin theorem. So according to this theorem, any linear active bilateral network means this theorem is also applicable only to linear active and bilateral network, right? So any linear active bilateral network can be replaced by a circuit, electrical circuit which consists of an equivalent voltage source which is known as V Thevenin, Thevenin equivalent voltage source, in series with a equivalent resistance known as R Thevenin, right? When seen from any two output terminal. तो इस तरह से हम लोग किसी भी linear active bilateral network को represent कर सकते हैं by a simple circuit which will consist of only an equivalent voltage source in connected in series with an equivalent resistance or resistor, right? So for example, let us consider network. Suppose this is network 1 and we have another network 2. So these two networks are connected with each other, and let us consider these 2 points as the coupling points of the two networks, that is network 1 and network 2. So here let us consider that both networks are composed of resistors and independent voltage and current sources. Means you may have a combination of resistors in both the network along with independent sources in both the network, right? So if it is asked to calculate Thevenin equivalent circuit across these points A and B, then what are the different steps, how to do that, we will just understand that. So the process is that the first step is to suppose this is net and these are the two terminals A and B. So you have to calculate the open circuit voltage across these two output terminals, that is A and B. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर लैब में बोला जाए तो लैब में क्या करेंगे कि इस दो टर्मिनल को ओपन सर्किट करेंगे और यहाँ पे वोल्ट मीटर लगा, राइट. सो दिस वोल्ट मीटर रीडिंग विल गिव यू द वैल्यू ऑफ VThevenin, right. Now second step, while performing the Thevenin or drawing the Thevenin equivalent circuit, is that we have to remove all the sources while calculating the RThevenin. For the calculation of RThevenin, we have to just repeat the same procedure as we have done in case of superposition theorem. That is, remove the sources and suppose if we have a voltage source, that is a battery. So in case of voltage circuit, just replace the voltage source by a short circuit. And for a current source, do it open circuit, because you know that the ideal voltage source has very less value of resistance, and for current source the value of its own resistance is very high, right. So in this process, in this way, we can remove the different parts, different sources in the network, right. Then you have to calculate the equivalent resistance of that circuit. ठीक है, तो इसको जैसे कि सपोज एक एग्जांपल के थ्रू देखो तो ज्यादा क्लियर होगा. सपोज वी हैव a voltage source of magnitude E having internal resistance R, then there is a resistor, again we have a resistor here, these are the 2 points A, B. This is the load resistor RL, this is R2, this is R1, suppose this is C, this is D, right. So we have to calculate, suppose, the Thevenin equivalent circuit for the given circuit. अब क्वेश्चन में कुछ भी पूछा जा सकता है कि सपोज फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ लोड करंट flowing through resistor RL using Thevenin's theorem, right. So first step will be what? First step will be to remove this RL, that is open circuit condition में तुमको लाना पड़ेगा of the load terminals of the circuit. So suppose this is the 2 point given CD, this is E, this is R, this is R1, this is R2, and here these are the two terminals A and B. इसको open circuit कर दिया हम लोगों ने. That is, we have to calculate the VOC, open circuit voltage across the terminal A and B. This will be equal to your Thevenin equivalent voltage, right. So now how to calculate the VOC? VOC or VThevenin will be equal to the voltage across the terminal C and D, because this part. So can you calculate the value of current flowing through this circuit? So suppose current will be equal to R plus R1 plus R2. Right. So therefore, voltage drop across this R2 resistor, that is VCD, will be equal to I multiplied by R2. So E by R plus R1 plus R2 multiplied by R2 will be your open circuit voltage or Thevenin voltage, right? Now in step 2, we have to calculate the Thevenin resistance, right? So while calculating Thevenin resistance, the step which is to be followed is that you have to remove the sources, right? यहाँ से जो है इस सर्किट में ए बी के अक्रॉस जो हम लोग देखेंगे, तो व्हाट विल बी द इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस अक्रॉस दीस ओपन सर्किट टर्मिनल्स by replacing all the by removing all the sources, active sources in the network, independent sources in the network. That will be your RThevenin. So suppose this is a voltage source, we will replace it by its own resistor, small r. This is your R1. This is your R2. And these are the two output terminals, A and B. तो यहां से जब देखेंगे सर्किट में, तो व्हाट इज द so can you calculate the resistance between A and B terminals? बताओ क्या होगा? हेलो, आवाज आ रही है?
यस सर, आवाज आ रही है। कैलकुलेटिंग सर।
यस सर।
हाँ, तो इसका क्या होगा? देखो, ये स्मॉल r और कैपिटल R1 both are connected in series, so net value will be r plus R1, and this should be multiplied by R2 because the equivalent of these two are connected in parallel with R2, divided by r plus R1 plus R2. So this will be your value of RThevenin. So now you can draw the Thevenin equivalent circuit. This will be जैसा कि हम लोगों ने अभी पढ़ा पिछले स्लाइड में, we can replace any circuit by an equivalent voltage source which is connected in series with a resistor, that is Thevenin resistance, and this is your V Thevenin. और ए बी के क्रॉस जो है अब लोड कनेक्ट कर जो लोड दिया हुआ था पहले. So now you can easily calculate the value of IL. So load current flowing through the resistor RL will be equal to V Thevenin divided by R Thevenin plus RL. So in this way you can apply the Thevenin theorem. Using Thevenin theorem you can solve any circuit, right? So now if we define this theorem, so in this way we can do that. The current flowing through a load resistor, suppose here we have RL, considered RL, current flowing through a load resistor connected across any two output terminals of a linear, active and bilateral network can be given as V Thevenin divided by R Thevenin plus RL, right? Where V Thevenin is your Thevenin equivalent voltage across output terminals, and R Thevenin is the Thevenin equivalent resistance, right? And R Thevenin is the internal resistance of the network when viewed from the open circuit terminals, that is A and B here. और इसको कैसे कैलकुलेटिंग करेंगे? All the voltage sources should be replaced by their internal resistance and current sources by infinite resistance. ये समझ में आया सबको? हेलो, हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you solve one circuit. खुद से solve करो using Thevenin theorem. So let us consider a voltage source of 12 volt magnitude. Then we have a 3 ohm resistor. Here we have a 6 ohm resistor. Then again here we have 4 ohm resistor. Here this is 3, this is 6, this is 4, this is 2. And here we have a current source. Right, this is 10 ampere mentioned. So here it is asked to calculate the current flowing through 4 ohm resistor. चलो 4 ohm resistor के थ्रू कितना करंट फ्लो करेगा ये कैलकुलेट करना है यूजिंग थेवेनिन्स थ्योरम. तो इस पॉइंट को अपना मान लो कि ये आउटपुट टर्मिनल अगर है या जो भी है ए बी, और बनाओ पहले वी थेवेनिन कैलकुलेट करो देन आर थेवेनिन. वी थेवेनिन क्या होता है? द ओपन सर्किट वोल्टेज अक्रॉस द लोड रजिस्टर. तो यहाँ मान लो कि 4 ओम बोला गया है रजिस्टर है, तो ए बी के अक्रॉस जो ओपन सर्किट वोल्टेज होगा. So first of all redraw the circuit, open circuit these two terminals and calculate VThevenin. And after calculating VThevenin, you replace all the voltage and current source by their internal impedances and then calculate RThevenin. RThevenin क्या होगा? यहाँ से open circuit के across जो total internal resistance होगा circuit का, that will be your RThevenin. Calculate it.
Sir, VThevenin is coming 8, sir.
Okay. तो इसको देखो कैसे आता है, हम लोग देखते हैं एक बार ट्राई करके. In this way you can redraw this circuit. This is A, this is B, this is 6, this is 2, this is 3, this is 12 volt, right? So first of all tell me what will be the value of current flowing through this loop. करंट का वैल्यू कितना होगा, और ये 2 ओम के रजिस्टर से कितना करंट का वैल्यू होगा, दोनों बताओ।
सर
अच्छा
2 ohm
पहले 2 ओम का। बोलो। दिस विल बी 10 एम्पियर। व्हाई? बिकॉज जितना करंट यहाँ से इस सोर्स से निकल रहा है उतना ही पहुंचना भी चाहिए। इट मीन्स नो करंट विल फ्लो थ्रू path due to this current source. So 10 ampere current will be flowing through this 2 ohm resistance. Now the current I, suppose I is the current produced by this voltage source of 12 volt magnitude. So again, if I current is flowing through this point, then the same current I should reach also to the voltage negative plate of the battery. So it means no current will flow through this path, right? So I जो होगा वो होगा 12 by 6 plus 3, that is 9. 4 by 3 ampere. So now apply KVL between these 2 points. This will give you the value of VThevenin. So apply KVL VA. Then we are going in the direction of I, minus 6 into 4 by 3 plus 2 into 10 will be equal to VB. So VA minus VB will be equal to minus 20 plus 8, that is minus 12 volt, right? So it means that B point will be at higher potential compared to A point. ठीक है, तो ये तुम्हारा थेवेनिन इक्विवेलेंट वोल्टेज हो गया जिसका मैग्नीट्यूड 12 वोल्ट होगा। नाउ इफ वी कैलकुलेट द आर थेवेनिन, तो आर थेवेनिन कैलकुलेट करने के लिए क्या करना होगा, यू जस्ट शॉर्ट सर्किट दिस वोल्टेज सोर्स एंड ओपन सर्किट दिस करंट सोर्स। तो ये हट जाएगा सर्किट से और ये शॉर्ट हो गया। तो अब बताओ आर थेवेनिन कितना आएगा,
4 ohm
कितना आ रहा है?
sir 4 ohm
Okay, so this 3 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel. So the equivalent will be 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6, that is 9. And that will be connected in series with the 2 ohm resistor. So this will be your 4 ohm. So now this circuit, you can draw the equivalent circuit, Thevenin equivalent circuit. There will be a resistor that is known as Thevenin resistor. There will be a source, voltage source, that is will be your voltage source VThevenin. This is your RThevenin. And suppose if these are the 2 points we have considered A and B. So now you can connect this 4 ohm resistor here. So now the current flowing through this 4 ohm resistor will be equal to I is equal to VThevenin divided by RThevenin plus 4. तो पुट करोगे वैल्यू तो आ जाएगा। सबको समझ में आ गया? किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन इसमें?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we will see one example of dependent voltage source or dependent current source type of thing. So suppose for this circuit, this is plus minus, this is 12 volt, this is your 4 ohm resistor, these are the 2 points, output terminal points A and B. Suppose this is 12 volt, then this is 4 ohm. This is a dependent voltage source given having magnitude 2I, where I is the current flowing through this 4 ohm resistor, and this is your 2 ohm resistor. So in this case, you have to draw the Thevenin equivalent circuit. अब यहाँ पे देखो कि एक करंट डिपेंडेंट वोल्टेज सोर्स है. Voltage source है which depends upon the magnitude of current of the circuit, right? So you cannot short circuit or open circuit the dependent sources, as we have discussed in case of superposition theorem. So अब इसमें कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे बताओ. पहले तो वही VOC कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. That is your open circuit voltage across the output terminals. This will be equal to your VThevenin. ठीक है, तो बताओ कितना आएगा VThevenin. This is very simple. VThevenin or V open circuit voltage will be equal to the voltage drop across this 4 ohm resistor.
सर 8 वोल्ट आ रहा है.
ओके, तो इसको देखते हैं करके कितना आ रहा है. तो सपोज इस लूप में हम लोग KVL अप्लाई करते हैं. सो लिखो KVL का इक्वेशन 12 देन -4i प्लस 2i minus 4i will be equal to 0. ये जो I current है, this will not this will be the same current which will flow through this 4 ohm resistor, right? So due to which we have considered a drop of -4i, and we are moving in the direction of current. Then this plus 2i here this dependent voltage source, and again -4i is the drop in this 4 ohm resistor. So from here you can write 12 is equal to 6i. So I is equal to 2 ampere. Therefore, VThevenin or VOC will be equal to 4 into 2. I, that is 8 volt. Now you tell me how to calculate this RThevenin in such circuits which consists of dependent voltage or current sources. So for that, as we cannot directly open circuit or short circuit the source, dependent source, so the rule in such cases are that we have to do the short circuit. Suppose again draw this circuit, 12 volt. This is 4 ohm resistor. This is your dependent source plus 2i. This is your 4. This is the current source, and here you have 2 ohm resistor. These are your two. So in this, you have to just short circuit these two terminals, output terminals, and let us calculate the value of this short circuit current. ठीक है, तो मान लो कि I2 है कोई करंट और ISC whatever you can consider is the short circuit current flowing through this loop or mesh. तो RThevenin जो होगा कैलकुलेट करेंगे हम लोग बाद में, वो क्या होगा, जो ओपन सर्किट वोल्टेज था वो डिवाइडेड बाय दिस शॉर्ट सर्किट करंट, राइट? So let us consider I1 is your current in this mesh and I2 is the current in this mesh. So now applying KVL, suppose in first mesh, if we apply KVL, then you will get 12 minus 4 I1, then बताओ क्या होगा,
प्लस 2 i1
माइनस प्लस 2, यहाँ क्या होगा बताओ.
सर i1
नो, I क्या था, I was the current flowing through the 4 ohm resistor. So the value of this dependent source depends upon the value of current flowing through this 4 ohm resistor. So now what is the value of current flowing through this 4 ohm resistor? ये बताओ कितना. This is I1 minus I2 या फिर I2 minus I1. वो बाद में पता चलेगा कौन ज्यादा है कौन कम है. अभी चलो तुम ऐसा इसको सिर्फ आई लिखो, नहीं तो कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट होगा। -4, यहाँ पे क्या होगा बताओ? I1 - I2। ये तो हम लोग शुरू के एक क्लास में पढ़े ना, मेश एनालिसिस में कैसे केवीएल अप्लाई करते हैं। वी आर मूविंग इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ I1 और रिजल्टेंट करंट क्या होगा? I1 - I2, बिकॉज I2 भी इधर से करंट फ्लो कर रहा है। सो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 0। नाउ दिस I will be basically equal to I1 - I2। ठीक, तो इसको पुट कर दो यहाँ पे, तो एक इक्वेशन I1 I2 का यहां से मिलेगा। ठीक है, अब मान लो कि मेश 2 में हम लोग अगर केवीएल अप्लाई करते हैं इन मेश 2, तो सपोज वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट in the direction of I2, so this will be -2I2 then +4I1 - I2, this will be equal to 0। इससे क्या आएगा? 4I1 will be equal to 6I2। so this is your second equation। so solving these two equations 1 and 2, you will get the value of I1 and I2। ठीक है, तो I2 जब पता चल गया, so I2 is basically your शॉर्ट सर्किट करें, ये जो शॉर्ट सर्किट किए इन दो पॉइंट को। so your RThevenin is basically your resistance, equivalent resistance when viewed from the two output terminals or open circuit terminals। so this will be just VOC by or VThevenin by ISC, right? so VThevenin we have already calculated 8 volt and divided by ISC, अब जितना भी कैलकुलेट करके आएगा। so this will be your Thevenin equivalent resistance। so when we will draw the Thevenin equivalent circuit, so we will have a R Thevenin resistance connected in series with a voltage source। A and B होगा, ये V Thevenin हो गया, कितना था 8 वोल्ट, और ये R Thevenin आएगा जो भी कैलकुलेट करके आएगा। so in this way we solve the circuit which has dependent voltage and current sources। एक एग्जांपल मैं दे रहा हूं, तुम लोग खुद से सॉल्व करोगे इसको कि find the Thevenin equivalent circuit। Thevenin equivalent circuit for the given circuit, this is your voltage source 6 volt, this is your 8 ohm resistor, then again here we have a current source 4 ohm, this is A, this is B, this is suppose VAB by 4, this is 8, this is 4 ohm। so you have to draw the Thevenin equivalent circuit, मतलब वही एक रजिस्टर इक्विवेलेंट होना चाहिए, एक वोल्टेज सोर्स होना चाहिए। V Thevenin क्या होगा, R Thevenin क्या होगा, ये पता करना। तो ये तुम लोग खुद से बनाना, इसको देखना सॉल्व कितना आता है। Any question from this thing whatever we have discussed? Hello,
No, sir.
hello, आवाज नहीं आ रही है क्या?
आ रही है सर।
ओके, तो चलो आज कुछ काम है, अभी डिपार्टमेंट का कुछ मीटिंग है, तो अभी हम लोग यहीं पे खत्म करेंगे। तो इससे रिलेटेड तुम लोग कुछ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना, और कुछ कंफ्यूजन होगा तो यू कैन ऑलवेज डिस्कस, और यू कैन पोस्ट इट ऑन MS Team also। I will if not possible in class, then first of all I will try to discuss in class, otherwise we can discuss it on email or MS Teams also। वो किया जा सकता है। अगले वीक से तो फिजिकल मोड में भी क्लास होगा, जो हाफ हाफ करके होना है। ठीक है, मतलब आज से ही था, बट देयर वाज सम टेक्निकल इशू with my laptop, राइट। तो देखेंगे अभी आगे हम लोग पढ़ेंगे इसमें और क्या होता है। ठीक है, थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.